Hello crypto enthusiasts, welcome to today's video. Here I will guide you through the Tomarket daily airdrop combo for September 28. Today's task is simple. Click on the hamster icon 3 times and the tomato trees 2 times. I will demonstrate it live for you. Let's get started. First I will click on the hamster icon 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now move on the tomato trees. Here I'll click on the 2 times. 1, 2. That's all it. I just get 25,000 tomato free. You can also join our Telegram channel to get live update daily. I will provide the joining link in description below. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe our channel for more updates and tips. Thank you. Bye bye.